Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. And I've entitled this video, Join the CBMV Peak Performance Team. And we're going to talk about that in just a few moments. But I want you to think about something for a moment, if you will. I want you to think about systems that are already created for you to help you to generate income. See, the beauty of that is that you don't have to spend time, trying to create something, a system for yourself, because there are systems that are already in place that have everything that you need to help you to make money online. And the potential in a lot of systems is that you can do quite well, if you do the right marketing, if you share. And what we have with the CB Moneyvine system is a system that is designed to pay you autopilot commissions month after month. So you don't have to create the system. Why? The system is here. Think about that. The system is here. And contained within the system is everything that you need to grow your income. See, that's powerful, okay? So the system is easy, it's simple, and if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense, okay? We have 4,000, matter of fact, over 4,000 products, okay? And the prices range from, very inexpensive to perhaps expensive, okay? And so, and anywhere in between. So, we kind of cover anybody's pocketbook, okay? From something that's very inexpensive to something that may be expensive to some people, but this is a system that anybody can afford to do. Now, the system is free. Don't get me wrong. The system is free, okay? But obviously, you're going to want to spend some money in advertising and things like that, okay? And also to purchase one of the products, okay, every single month, okay? And you can get an expensive product every month to keep the system activated. And once you get inside, you'll see how all of this works. This is absolutely incredible. Okay. Now, the potential with the system is that you can earn 10,000 plus per month. That's the potential. 10,000 plus per month. See, what could you do? Let's back up for a moment. What could you do with an extra $500 a month? What could you do with an extra $1,000 per month? This can be done with this system, okay? So, as we said, the system is free. It requires no selling, okay? And this is a system that is good for both beginners and pros alike, all right? So we've got something here that really anybody can get involved in, and anybody can become successful in this venture. And it's like anything. You've got to put something into it to get something out of it, okay? With this system, you can make a lot of money. You can make a little bit of money. If you don't do anything, obviously, you're not going to make any money at all. But the system is really, really powerful. And if somebody stays with doing this system, they can do quite well with it, okay? With this system, you can scale up to 4+ figures every single week. And again, I want to say this again and again, the potential now overall is that you can earn, $10,000 or more every single month, okay? Now, I'm looking for people who have a true desire to build an online business and make money online, and to create something incredible for yourself. You can do that with this system, okay? I say that this is an amazing system, and it is a good system, okay? But it's not too good to be true. Why? Because it is true. A fully contained system. Everything you have, advertising and everything, you can get right through the system. An advertising product can be one of your products that you use for that month. And you only need one product a month to keep the system activated. Okay. The system is free. One product a month will keep the system activated. What do? You use advertising. Okay. And you think about it, you spend a little bit of money, okay, in advertising a month to make a lot of money, every single month. A little bit of money in advertising every month to do what? To make a lot of money, okay, monthly. That's the power of what we have here. And if you want to advertise on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Twitter, okay, all of the information on how to do that is contained within the system as well. So this just is incredible. Okay. So I'm putting together a weekly call. All right. And, it's going to be starting soon, and it's a peak performance call. That's why I call my team the Peak Performance team, because we're looking for people, man, that are serious about building an online business. And so we want to put something together just to be an aid, just to be a support that you can bring people to, that you can say, hey, listen to this call. Okay. And, we'll share the opportunity. We'll share some things, motivation and inspiration, and get people excited about making money, get people excited about dreaming again. A lot of people just stop dreaming. Life becomes so hard and difficult at times for folk, and they just stop dreaming. And you know what I found out? That the older people get, that's when they really, really, really lose dreams. So we can talk about a lot of that. But after you sign up, okay, then you'll want to text me, or you want to email me. I get text a little bit quicker. So be sure to either, give me a text, but you can email me as well. And all of my information will be in the description area of this video. So we're putting together the CBMV, the CB Moneyvine Peak Performance team. We're just getting started, okay? And text me to get more details, or email me to get more details about that call. It's going to be powerful. It's going to be fun. And we're going to help people to make some money. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful and magnificent day today. Be sure to grab the link, okay? Get started with us today. Bye-bye now.